Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are on the second part of our review of the T800 Ultra smartwatch. Previously, we have the design and specs, unboxing of this wearable. So this time, we are going to check its menus and features. Okay, of course, available in the T800 Ultra smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, so let's start and check the menus available in the smartwatch. Okay, but first, let me show you the design of this wearable. Okay, so let's check the screen. It says it is 1.99 infinite screen display. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so we have here, it's already preloaded with different watch faces. Okay, I like this watch face. Okay, on the left side, as you can see, the same function. Scrolling on the different watch faces. On top, we have the notification. On the bottom part, you have the important settings to your smartwatch. Okay, if you want to access the menus, you have to press this one. Okay, so you can zoom in, I think. Yes, zoom in, zoom out. Go on back. This one, a return button. For the orange button, let's see. Okay, so the same with the others, it is all about sport function. Okay, so let's check. So this one, I think it's a menu style. Let's see. Okay, so we want this one, the list style. Okay, so we have a dialer, phone book, heart rate, blood oxygen. What else? So this one, health tricyclic. I guess this is the activity. Okay, the automatic activity tracking. So it's all included here. We have the ECG. We have the sports. We have the camera. We also have the blood pressure, music. Okay, we have reset, weather, anti-loss tier. We have sleep monitoring, menu style. We also have message notifications. We have stopwatch, QR code, support for Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp. And here in the more settings, we have the Siri, set time, and language. We do have a very short screen display time here. Let's see if we can adjust it here in the smartwatch. Set time. What do you mean by set time? Okay. Oh, it's the time here for the smartwatch backlight time. See, let's make it 3 minutes for the backlight time. Okay. So we have dialer, phone book, heart rate. Let's check. Okay, come back. We have blood oxygen. Okay, ECG. For the sports, you can access it also here directly. Press, and we have the running, biking, strength training, and basketball. What else? We have tennis, volleyball, and football. That's it. So these are the list of sports functions in the T800 smartwatch. For the running, so it monitors for the time, beats per minute, calories, distance, and steps. Okay, stop. Okay, what else? Volleyball, the same. So the same data metrics it monitors. Stop. Okay, press. Okay, we have what else here? Let's check the blood pressure. There. So we have here the blood pressure monitoring. Going back, we have camera, music, we have weather. How many menu styles do we have? We have at least 5 menu styles. So number 3, we don't have a split screen. That's why you have to remember the icon if you're not familiar with the menu styles. Is this the menu style? No. Okay, let's look for that. So this is blood oxygen. Home, okay. Style number 4. So rotating. Okay, let's go back. Style number 5. It's almost the same. Style number 1, that is the bubble style, I think. Yes, honeycomb, another term. Okay, and let's check. Let's go for the style number 2, the list style. Okay, we have music, weather, what else? Facebook support. Also have the QR code here directly in the smartwatch. This is the iWatch Pro app. We have stopwatch, sleep monitoring. Okay, ECG, let's check. Okay, I hope that's not just a random sensor here or lights. We do hope that it will work. Okay, we have here music, airplane mode. This one, I think this is do not disturb mode. Okay, the app and the list. Okay, press. What else are we missing here? We have weather. Okay, in the more section, let's see. We do have the Siri. This is the smartwatch. T800 Ultra, it says here. We have the set language. Okay, you can pick several languages here. We have go back time. And that's it. So if that's it for the T800 Ultra smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.